Fourth example, for f of x is equal to x plus 2 all over x minus 3. So, we change f of x by y, tapos y is equal to x plus 2 all over x minus 3. And then, you interchange x and y. So, yung y magiging x is equal to, yung lahat ng x magiging y. Hindi pwedeng magiging y plus 2 all over x minus 3. Hindi po kasi all the variable x should be replaced by y. So, the proper way is you have to change the x in the denominator by y minus 3. So, ganun lang po. Basta lahat ng may x, papalitan nyo ng y, at lahat ng y, papalitan nyo ng x. And then, we have to solve for y. So, for this one, para makapag-solve tayo ng y, since this is a fraction, we have an equal sign, tapos yung x naman natin will be treated as something like a whole number. So, the denominator of this one is 1. So, we have a fraction equal to fraction. So, may fraction equal to fraction, pwede nating i-apply yung concept ng cross multiplication. So, doing the cross multiplication, we'll have x multiplied by y minus 3 is equal to y plus 2 multiplied by 1 is just the same as y plus 2. And then next, we distribute x to y minus 3. Hindi po pwedeng sabihin nyo lang na, ma'am, divide lang natin siya by x. Kasi kung i-divide mo lang din siya by x, edi magkakaroon na naman kayo ng fraction. Kaya nga tayo nag-cross multiply to eliminate the fraction or to eliminate the rational function. So, ang gagawin nyo po is, we really have to distribute x to y minus 3. So, we'll have xy minus 3x is equal to y plus 2. O, di ba wala tayong nakuhang fraction. Next is to put all the terms with y variable on one side of the equation. So, ibig sabihin po, yung xy at saka yung y, ilalagay nyo sa isang side ng equation. And the terms without y variable will be on the other side of the equation. Kayong bahala kung ano yung gusto nyong i-transpose dito. Basta kailangan, lahat ng may y variable is on one side of the equation and the rest of the terms without y variable will be on the other side of the equation. So, let's say, yung y yung gusto kong i-transpose sa kabila. So, we'll have xy, transpose ako ng y, magkakaroon tayo ng minus y is equal to 2, tapos transpose ako ng negative 3x, we'll have positive 3x. Next, ito lang ang gagawin nyo dyan if you encountered this kind of scenario na 'di ba itong xy minus y, meron silang common factor na na y. Parehong may y variable yung dalawang terms na ito. So, dahil may pareho siyang y variable, we can factor out y in this binomial. Ngayon, ma'am, bakit tayo magfa-factor out ng y? We have to factor out y kasi dapat po, since we have to solve for the value of y in terms of x, kailangan isang y lang yung matitira sa equation or isang y lang yung makikita ko sa equation. Hindi pwedeng dalawa, hindi pwedeng tatlo, basta isang y variable lang. Kaya tayo kailangang mag-factor out para isang y lang yung matitira. 'Di ba kaya nga yung kanina, yung y squared, kinuha na natin ng square root kasi nga, kailangan nyo ng y lang. Hindi natin kailangan ng y squared. So, same with this case. Na since dalawa yung y, kailangan natin isang y lang, edi ang gawin po is you factor out y. Then, factoring out y will have xy divided by y, edi x. Minus y divided by y is 1 is equal to 2 plus 3x. O, edi ayan, nagkaroon na tayo ng isang y lang. Tapos, since isa na lang yung y natin, pwede na nating i-divide yung term na x minus 1 on both sides of the equation so that you will be left with y na lang na variable on the left side of the equation. Kasi we will cancel this one, we can cancel this one, and ayun na, ang matitira na lang ay y. So, the inverse of the given function is 2 plus 3x all over x minus 1. Ayan na. Basta laging ang goal natin ay una, isang y lang yung matira sa equation na to, and lahat ng x na lahat ng may x variable is on the other side of the equation. Gaya nga ng sabi ko sa inyo sa previous example, lahat ng concepts na pwede nating i-apply dito sa mga equation na to ay pwede nyo pong gawin as long as it is mathematically correct and acceptable. So, yung ginawa nating factoring out, meron naman talagang ganyan sa algebra, and we can also divide both sides of the equation by a binomial. So, okay lang din siya. So, ganun lang yung process niya lagi. And then, we just change y to f raised to negative 1 of x is equal to 2 plus 3x all over x minus 1 to indicate na this is the inverse of the given function.